Got a question, guys? Something that might seem strange at first. We all know air is there, but why can't we see it? We can definitely feel a breeze or a strong gust, but it's like thin air, right? Invisible. So, what's the deal? There are two main reasons why we can't see air but can feel it. 1. Light interaction. We see things because light interacts with them in a specific way. Light can bounce off, reflect, or pass through, transmit, objects. Air is mostly made up of tiny molecules that are far apart. These molecules are too small and spaced out to efficiently reflect most of the light that hits them. So the light just travels through the air, and our eyes don't perceive it. To our eyes' sensitivity, our eyes are evolved to see a specific range of wavelengths on the electromagnetic spectrum, which we call visible light. This range allows us to see the world around us in all its color. However, air molecules don't absorb or scatter light in this visible range very much. So the light keeps traveling to our eyes without much change, and we don't perceive it as anything being there. On the other hand, we can feel air because it has mass and exerts pressure. When air moves, wind, or presses against us, like when we blow up a balloon, we can sense those interactions through our skin and nerves. Here's an analogy: imagine tossing pebbles into a still pond. The pebbles, light, can bounce off the water, objects, and travel in different directions, creating ripples that we see, reflected light. Air, on the other hand, is like throwing tiny grains of sand. They're too small to make noticeable ripples, reflected light, but we can still feel the water moving around our hand, air pressure. Now, for some mind-blowing facts about air. 1. We breathe in a sea of ancient air molecules. Some of the oxygen you breathe today might have been inhaled by dinosaurs. Because air molecules are constantly moving, they've been around for a very long time. 2. Air has weight. Though it feels light and invisible, air actually has weight. The air pressing down on Earth's surface is what we experience as air pressure. If you could suddenly remove all the air, your body weight would feel much lighter. 3. Air color can change depending on size. While small air molecules are invisible, giant air masses can scatter sunlight in different ways. This is why the sky appears blue, blue light being scattered more, and why sunrises and sunsets have a reddish hue, red and orange light scattered less. That's just a taste of the mind-blowing science we explore on our YouTube channel. If you want to see more amazing science explained clearly, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss a video. We've got experiments, deep dives, and tons of fun facts coming your way. Let's unlock the wonders of science together.